Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the account fundamentals. Check your Apple ID email, phone, and two-factor authentication so the system trusts you. Once done, make sure the App Store region exactly matches the billing address on file. Mismatched countries trigger requests. Sign out of the App Store and sign back in to force token refreshes and restart the device to clear cached credentials. These steps eliminate most false billing prompts and prepare you for the concrete payment fix coming next. Now you add a valid payment method that Apple accepts. Choose a card that allows digital and international charges or use of verified PayPal/Apple Cash where supported. Enter the billing address exactly as your bank lists it. Abbreviations or missing apartment numbers will fail. Once you add it, go to Apple ID Payment and Shipping or Wallet and save changes. Make sure default payment is set. If prompted, complete any micro-charge verification. This is the critical middle step before finalizing access. Finish by attempting a free or low-cost download. You want a successful transaction that doesn't request billing info again. If the App Store still asks, collect diagnostics. Screenshot errors, note transaction ID, and contact Apple support through settings support so an agent can clear holds. Make sure there are no unpaid balances or conflicting subscriptions on the account. Removing them often resolves the block. If nothing works, you can create a new Apple ID tied to the correct region as a.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.